How a hotel receptionist can perform as a salesman. Whenever a guest or visitor comes to check in or to inquire about the facilities services available in your hotel, she gets the first contact at the reception desk. Thus, a receptionist always stands the best chance of availing his salesmanship. An appropriate dealing with guest explaining the detail about your hotel, you can play a vital role in salesmanship. Now, to sell your services, you have to have detailed knowledge of your hotel. Role in salesmanship. Now, to sell your services, you have to have detailed knowledge of your hotel. The front office can always play an important role in overall sales of hotel facilities, although the main job of the reception is to sell the rooms. While selling rooms, the front office personnel can try to sell rooms with gentle approach, saying some good traits of the room, for instance, pool view room, away from the noisy elevator foyer, with a pleasant decor, or if there is any special floor with special facility or services, or if there is any late checkout facilities or any other facilities. Thus, a receptionist can make a sale of maximum tariff. After assigning the room, the front desk agent can tell the guest about sauna, massage, or health club, as the case is most likely that the guest has arrived after a long journey. If it is the guest's first visit, she should be informed of all other services. Following are the points for the front office staff: intimate the guest as and when required. Room location, outside view, size, type, rate, facilities in the room, minibar, hot and cold water, channel music, direct overseas dialing, TV with satellite connected channels, temperature control, and so on. Number of outlets, location, types of cuisine, entertainments, timing, buffet à la carte, banquet, conference. Travel agency, airline office, bank, postal service.